Hello, hello. Thank you for coming. Thank you for the sub also. Thank you very much. I haven't been live in a long time because no one is coming to the live, so I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate the love. This is Rain. His name is Rain. He has one gray eye, one blue eye. Say hi to Rain. Thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Thank you. His name is Rain. He's a little baby. He's still a puppy though. He's only a year old. Only a year old. He's just growing in his little crown, the gray part up top by his ear. Yeah, he's a baby. He's a little pup. Thank you. Hi, Justina. Haven't seen you in a while. How are you? A lot of people I can't find. I'm looking for bird life also. Yeah, thank you, Justina, for the floating on. I've been looking for a lot of people and I can't find them. I hope Bird Life still has his account. I don't know if anybody's seen Bird Life. Thanks for coming. Pat's Kitchen, thank you. Thank you for coming. Let me go over to you guys. I'm gonna support you guys, whoever comes to the live. If you are a content creator, I'm gonna go over to your house, okay? I just didn't announce that I would. Let's see, just Kina. Let's see if I can find just Kina. There we go. All right, just Kina. Oh, let me mute. I'm at just Kina. She's showing pens, different pens. They're cool pens. You made those pens? Yeah, wow, you made beautiful pens, beaded pens. I like them. I like them. Good job. They're super cool, Juskina. Mhm. Okay, let me go over. Beautiful pants. I actually love it. I like your pants. Okay, let's go over to Juskina. And I just did a short, but I'll do another a video. Let me see if you have any videos. I like those pants. They're beautiful. You're so creative, Juskina. Create stunning epoxy bookmarks with dried flowers. Ah. Sparky sips. Watch me glitter a wine tumbler. I think I saw those. Making a simple. Oh, you're doing good. I love it. Love it. Keep doing your art, Juskina. You're doing a good job, Juskina. Keep doing your art and craft. I'm watching your create stunning epoxy bookmarks with dried flowers. I think that's cool. For our kitchen and vlogs. Like Dan, thank you very much for liking the live. You are appreciated for our kitchen and vlog. Okay. Thank you, thank you. I am going to everyone's house and chat. I am still at Juskina's house. Mhm. She's making her bookmarks out of dried flowers, which is super cool. I like that. You're watching your talent. Justina. Thank you so much for our kitchen vlog. Thank you guys. I am getting new friends. I'm so happy. I like new friends. That's why I don't complain. I was listening to a content creator today and he was saying how he lost 150 friends, and I wish he could hear my voice because I kept saying that 150, you're going to get new friends. So when they go, just let them go. And sometimes you get new friends, and sometimes those same 150 comes back because once they liked you, they got addicted to your content, and they'll come back to see what you're doing, you know? So don't focus on that. Just focus on the love, the love. How are you guys doing? It's Saturday, but a lot of people are not sleeping well tonight because there's a war now. I heard there's a war going on. So we got to pray for these people. They're women, they're children, they're families there that has nothing to do with the war. And, you know, it's just sad we have to be doing those stuff to other countries. It's really sad. I'm very sad to hear what's happening, that there's a war going on, but it was expected. I knew there was going to be a war. It was coming next. We knew it was coming. Don't pretend like you didn't know. That was next. There's more to come. More to come. More to come. Aww. Okay. Let me see. We're still at just Keena's house. Our goal is one. Let's see. I'm going to respond to this. Put my goal is one. One. Who's going to give me a super chat? Hello. We are still at just Kina. Oh, she's paying an ad right now, so she's coming to an end. Let's go. Who came in after just Kina? Pat's Kitchen. See, shout out to Pat's Kitchen. We're going over to Pat's Kitchen. Oh, awesome, Pat. You did. That's nice. I'm going over to your home now. Oh, yeah, I remember. Hmm. See, that's why it's good to always come back because then you know if your sub sticked or not, you know? So let's go to these videos. Pat, let's see what Pat is cooking, guys, in the kitchen. Let me give Pat her um wings so she can fly. Pat, you can fly and visit Juskina. Farha kitchen, I'll be there. Yes, I'm watching one of your highlights. Uh, Let me do a review. Okay, so I'm doing your highlights. So, yeah, nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, I'm reading your comments. Someone commented, I just love watching you cook. You're on the picture frame. I like that comment. You go, girl. You're doing your thing. Bless up. And Zona's channel was there. That's awesome. Let me give Zona's a like. That's nice. Zona's came over. That's nice. See, that's why it's good to come back because I'm sure I had subbed to you. But see, now I come back and it didn't show that I was sub. So, oh, I'm looking at your pot. Your pot make me hungry. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Past Kitchen, for being here. And for her kitchen and vlog, thank you so much. I am up. It's almost midnight here, but it's all good. I'm just chilling and watching Pat's in her kitchen. I'm gonna do a couple mm, mm, of her videos. Mm. So who's here? Who's listening? How do you feel? Have you heard that there's now officially a war? There's a war between Israel, Iran, and I guess the US got involved today. How do you feel? You know, we could be just imagine being in one of those countries and you're laying in your bed and you just hear boom, 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 fire, fire. Like, that's scary, you know, guys. That's really scary. That's very scary. That's sad and scary. Because there's some little kids laying in their bed and don't know what that loud noise is. Because those things, they don't go to special places and throw the you know, The fire, they throw all the things everywhere. They don't know where they going. They could land on a baby bed. Oh my God. Pat is Pat is cooking, but she taking some of the food out the pot. Pat, I see you taking some of the food out of the pot. Uh, but I think you pressed the green room. Pat's in our kitchen. I like your cross. I need to look for my dad wore a chain with a cross all the time. Bless his soul. Okay, so we're at Pat's kitchen. Pat, I think I gave you your wings, right? Yeah, you do have your wings. I'm gonna go to Farha kitchen and vlog in a minute when I'm finished with Pat, but I got a couple more for Pat. Oh, I think Pat is live. It's showing that she's live right now. All right. So let's go here. Let me see another video from Pat. Let's do another video. If I can do at least 2 to 3 videos for anyone that comes into my chat, that's awesome. Okay, this one is. Let's see what is Pat cooking in this one. Traveler Frank Travel. I hope you see that I was at work, but I played your playlist at work this week. I wasn't able to comment, but I played your playlist. I like that pot, Pat. Yeah, you should see your US views going up. Okay, we're at highlight from Pat's Kitchen, another highlight. We're watching this one. So this is our second video. Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for coming, Traveler Frank. How you doing? I was just here talking about the war. There's a war that started today. First it was with Iran and Israel. Now the US is involved. So I was asking everyone how they feel about it because being a content creator, we get to meet so many people from different countries and we realize that they're humans just like us. They have families, they have culture, you know, and we I enjoy watching some of these content creators from other countries where they'll be out there in the village and they're cooking and stuff. And then to know that there could be a war in their country, it's very sad and scary. Oh, I see a chicken wing. I think Pat's Kitchen is frying some chicken. Yeah, right now because I see the wing. Yeah, so we gotta pray for these countries that's at war, because it's people lives and animals. Their dogs that live there, cats, you know, and it's causing so much problem. Mm-mm. Yep. Travel, stick around. I'm going to everyone's house. I'm at Pat's house right now. I'll be going to Far Farha Kitchen and Vlog. When I go to your house, then I give you your wing Fahara. I thought I gave Pat Kitchen. Yeah, I gave Pat Kitchen, but she's not here anymore. She went. She's washing her dishes now. She finished cook. Cleaning up. That's right. That's what I did today. Clean up and turn the lights off and done for the day. Thanks for the thumbs up, everyone. Just here trying to see how my algorithm is going because it's been very bad. It's been seriously bad. It's been so bad that it's, I guess it's like the real world. I I started uploading 2 videos per week. So always look out for my uploads per week. They're usually like Tuesday, Wednesday, or Friday, Saturday. My videos either on Tuesday or Wednesday or Friday, Saturday. So look out for those videos. I'll be doing them every week. I wish I could upload every day, but I don't have the content. I need to get out of the house to get content. Mhm. All right, Pat, we just finished your second video. Let's go to, let's go. Fahara Kitchen. All right, this is Fahara Kitchen blog. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, let's go 1K subscriber celebration. I am at Farha Kitchen and Vlog. She's celebrating her 1,000 subscribers. And how long ago was this? This was a month ago. Awesome. We're still at Farah Kitchen Vlog. There's an ad playing. It's a music video. Oh, beautiful flowers. All right. After Fahira is after Fahira. Let's see Fahira show their face in their videos, any of their videos. You gotta make. Where did you show? Oh, nice cake, Fahira, for your celebration. It's a nice cake. Nice cake. Very nice. Your one cake. Farha. Farha. Let me see if Farha gonna show their face. Farha cutting the cake. That cake looks lovely. I could have a piece right now. That was nice. Farah had 172 likes on her 1K celebration. That's nice. 172. Wow. All right. Let's go to. Where's Bird Life? I've been looking for Bird Life. I just see Bird Life post something. I've been looking for him. Let me go to Trevor House. I went to everyone's house. Lucy is here. Lucy, stick around so I can go to your house. Everyone that comes in the chat, I will go to your house if you're still in the chat. Stick around because I know they also play ads. If you come and you leave right away, then you don't get to see the ads that White you want to show us. I'm at Travel House right now, and I come. Let me go to Travel House. Yeah, the 8 minutes right here. I saw that one already. Let me do this. Okay, so I'm at Travel House. Game over already, Lucy? The game just started, Lucy. The game just started. Did you hear that there's a war now, Lucy? Did you hear that there's literally, it's official now? There's a war today with the US and Iran. It just started. You hear? The president say it's war. Oh my goodness. Let's pray. Been to that? Oh, I've seen. Let's see. Travel Na Frank, guys. Make sure you check out Travel Na Frank in Botswana. Botswana, they say. Botswana, yeah. I saw that one already. I've seen a lot of his videos because I be playing his videos at work too. That's why. Mm-mm. Yes, Lucy, there's a war. So you just be careful out there that we are at war. I like outdoor cooking. Wish I could do it here. I can, but I have kids, so it's not safe. But they cook just like us in Jamaica with they use the tire rim like they do in Jamaica. Some people use the coal stove and they put the coal in there, so that's their grill, really. So that's Travina Frank. All right, we're at Travina Frank. Thank you for visiting. Let me go over to Lucy because Lucy is here and always here, showing love. Let's see if Lucy have a new video up. It's me, it's me, it's me, you, standing in the need of pride. Not my brother, not my sister, but it's me, you, standing in the need of pride. Lucy's at 26K and moving. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, let's see. Yep, Lucy got gifts again. Lucy always gets gifts. Lucy just one lucky one. She always gets gifts. She's always unboxing gifts. Always, you gotta go over there and see. She gets gifts all the time from people. Let's see how long this live going. Oh, reach an hour. Thank you to the ones who subbed and who didn't come. They didn't get their free double age. You could have got a free double age if you're new content creator. Yeah, we at Lucy House now. Yeah, we are at Lucy's. Hey everyone, thank you. I gave her